This is Essay 1, December 2021, Medchal Malkazgiri Maths paper, question paper. So after the exam I want to explain this paper. See children, first Roman we have choice Group A, Group B. In Group A 6 questions are there, out of 6 any 3. Group B also we have 6 questions, out of this we will do any 6 questions. Okay, now can you see this Group B? So Group B again 6 questions, any 3 you can do it. Next section 2. From the section 2, any 4 of the following out of 8 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Okay, here total 8 questions will be, each question 4 marks. Do any 4 questions out of 8. 13 to 20 questions. 13 to 20 questions, write any 4. Next, now section 3, Group A and Group B is there. From that, each group you should do it any 2. Each one carries 8 marks. It is very important Roman section. Now at last Group B, we have again 4 questions. From that any 2 you can do it. Now answers for the question paper. Let's check through your answers. This is Group A and Group B from first Roman. Group A and Group B, first Roman up to 10th question. Okay. Now let us see the 11th question onwards. Up to 12th question is first Roman 2 marks. Thirteenth one, do any one method, either elimination method, substitution. I did that elimination. So these are 4 marks questions. So every year also they should ask that one mean, median, mode, any one formula. But this year they asked mean and median formulas and their explanation also they asked. Yeah, up to 20th question. This is 20th question is the last question. Out of 4 marks. 8 questions are there now. From that 8 questions, it is 20th is the ending 4 marks questions. Now 8 marks. Confirm this model one question they will ask now every year also in board exam also. Here elimination is most important. See one more problem also given for elimination. And here 25 question. When you see this, it is very important topic. We are observing many of the papers. Here also we use that elimination method. Here one thing remember, mode. When you are doing the mode, your boundaries are required. From this paper I not done two questions, one is graph and one is construction. If you want full explanation, I will send in the next video, children. Okay, thank you, children.